All right, so here we are in Kissing Tree in San Marcos once again, and we are going to tour the Wheaton. It's got 2 beds, 2.5 baths. It's a single story with 1,796 square feet. This one's a lot more modern looking on the outside, which is pretty fun.
It's that mid-century modern, which is really cool.
Yes, and as we enter,
wow.
you can, yeah, this one's got a nice view. As we enter, you can see it's got, actually, let's just go all the way up so you can see that it's got this nice high ceiling right here. And then I'm gonna turn to the left. And right here, you're gonna have just a little powder bath for your guests to come and visit you. And then you've got a nice little guest bedroom right here to the left. Nice big window.
Does that have a bathroom attached?
Does it have a bathroom attached? Of course it does.
All right. I was
There
gonna
it
say,
is.
because
yeah.
only a
where are they
half
gonna
bath
go
there,
bathroom?
there's gonna be a situation.
Where are they gonna take a shower? Yeah. So there's you got a shower, plenty of space to do what you need to do in there. It's gonna show us that nice coat closet right there, right to the right.
Ooh, look at someone on the golf course.
Yeah.
Golf
and then
cart.
It's got those nice sliders that look out. You can see it's got a few windows in there. Just a simple room, really. No fireplace or anything in this one. And it's a pretty decent size. You've got the dining in the center and then right into the kitchen.
Really good size island.
Yeah, it's got a nice size island.
3 butt. You could probably put 4 in there, to be honest with you. It's pretty good size.
I'm
not seeing my trash
Put your
can.
trash cans, yeah, well. I bet you could probably put it in the snack closet, not the favorite place, but if you need to, you could put it in there.
Yeah.
Let's take a look.
No. That would be a negative. Negative.
No snack closet trash. All right, well.
I don't know. Come on. I'm starting to panic.
You're starting to panic.
Here's the utility room.
You're gonna have to put your trash in your utility room.
Maybe you could build it out to where you have one back here. I don't know.
Look at all those cabinets though.
I mean, I don't know. You only have so much detergent, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
so maybe you can use one of these for a trash can.
Yeah, but I like the window in there and all the cabinets. That's really nice to have. All right, and
Now,
then,
let me ask you, that's my thing, right? The trash can. Maybe that's not everybody's thing. I don't know.
That's true.
What do you guys think? Do you have to have a spot for your trash can, or is the
You are
garage?
more into that than I am. That's
Well,
for
that's
sure.
because I take out the trash.
Well, So here is the primary room. What do you guys think of the primary room being directly off the kitchen?
Yeah. Huh.
Like directly. Here, I'm gonna even turn around just so you can see how directly off the kitchen it is. So the kitchen's like right there, and then we're in here. I'm not sure how I feel about it actually, so.
If it's just the 2 of you or whatnot, I mean, it doesn't bother me as much as the trash can. But
We all have our things. That's
we all
for
have
sure.
our things. Let me check out the
Check
shower.
out the
The shower is
shower.
very long,
It is.
but not wide, right? So you're.
I don't know what you do in the shower that you need all this.
Well, sometimes I drop the soap. I'm very clumsy. So if I drop the soap, I need to make sure I got enough room to drop the soap.
So you
That's
don't-
all I'm saying. Like I need my space.
All right. Well, this one has 2 closets. So it's got this one, which is fairly small.
Oh, it does have 2 closets. I was gonna say.
You've got one sink over there, by the way, and then you've got one over there. We focused so much on the shower that I think I forgot to show the sink.
No vanity.
No vanity. But here's the second closet with the window. So I guess that would
Lots
be
of light.
mine, because I like windows in my closet.
Yeah. Let's go check out the patio.
So let's go check out that patio. This isn't obviously, this is one of the smaller models, which is perfectly fine. If you don't want a huge space to worry about and clean and all that, then this is a great option.
Love this.
Love that, yes.
And this patio,
Patio's a good size.
really good size, right? So I would
Hold
say
on.
again, 10 by 20.
Yeah.
maybe 10 by 25. You step down, got your outdoor kitchen right here. I love this actual fireplace. This is the fire will come up, so it's a nice fire feature.
I can't help but look at that nice view behind you.
Yeah, it kind of gives you an idea of what you're looking at when you move to Kissing Tree.
Pretty, very
Yeah.
nice.
Hill country living right here in the 55 plus. It's like being on a cruise ship on land. So it's an adult playground. This area is, these active adult communities have it all. So many activities. I was talking to our sales rep here, which by the way, we can get you incredible deals on any of these homes. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell, because we do every tour that we could possibly do right here at Kissing Tree. But he was showing me the event calendar, and it was overwhelming how many activities they have here.
I know, you could be I mean, just so busy here and have so much to do.
You don't have to leave.
No.
You do not have to leave. But if you wanted to leave, you're 45 minutes to Austin, 45 minutes to San Antonio. So you've got the best of both worlds right here in Hill Country. You got a Troon golf course, anything and everything you could possibly want.
What
you've
does
got
a
all right
Troon
here.
golf course mean?
Troon is a developer that develops high-end golf courses. So it's going to be a top shelf golf course.
Okay.
So it's got everything that you could possibly want. I love how they put some of the fake artificial turf right here. I put a little putting green just so I can have my own private one. But
Because you don't want people watching you play.
I don't need people watching me and judging me. It's already hard on the golf course. You guys know what I'm talking about. But anyway, all joking aside, this community is outstanding, one of our favorites. Make sure if you have any questions about any community in Texas and 55 and plus, that's our specialty. That's what we're here for. We're here for you.
Because we are looking for our future also.
Absolutely. We are looking for our future as well. So until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.